Congratulations to NIACE Dysgu Cymru, celebrating 25 years of promoting adult learning in Wales. Well done.
Happy 25th birthday to NIACE Dysgu Cymru.
Happy birthday to NIACE Dysgu Cymru. All the best for the future.
Every day, NIACE proves that you're never too old to learn new skills. And thanks to this amazing charity, adults from all walks of life are being given opportunities that are changing their lives forever.
Hello, it's only Aloud here. We're really sorry we can't be with you at the NIACE Awards this evening. We're actually in the Royal Albert Hall where we've been nominated for a Classical Brit. But we hope you have a fantastic night, and from all of us here,
happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday.